Vegafest, vse, kar si želite vedeti o zdravju, prehrani, boljšem načinu življenja in pač nasploh prihodnosti za 21. stoletje, da bomo sploh preživeli do leta 2050 in naprej, pridite sem, tukaj se vse dobili.
Vegan tempo so tekli 1 uro, 4 minute pa 42 sekund. Bravo! To so Vitomil Horvat, Kostja Makarovič in Luka Furlan.
We're at Vegafest here, a lot of vegans here, and this message is for all who are not vegan and think about going vegan. Just go, meet the community, come to events like this, and check out what veganism really is like, and just try to do it, and don't be scared by, you know, what you hear people saying and everything. Just do it and get into it.
You eat food? Nah, I eat grass, plant killer with a murderous bastard. Blend that shit up, spinach and maca, healthy bastard, high like Chewbacca, vegan muscle, pea rice and hemp, vegan strong, call me Clark Kent.
This is all about love, compassion, promoting love and understanding towards animals. So if I had one message for you guys, go to an animal sanctuary, meet a cow, meet a pig, a dog or a cat or a chicken or whatever it is, and just feel that compassion, because life with compassion is much better. You don't have to sacrifice anything, but what you get in return is a lot inside of your heart, and these animals are actually getting a lot more. They're getting their life, you're getting a good feeling in your heart, and they're getting the hearts untouched, and I think that's how you can live in here. With some examples here you'll see today, there's great food, there's a lot of good looking people, and we're changing the way veganism looks. All right?